As a fourth-generation Regal, it is my honor to share that we have been delivering Saladmaster products to families all around the world for over 77 years. Our mission as an organization is to enrich lives by bringing families together in the kitchen, at the dinner table, and through healthy and nutritional food preparation in our products. For over 100 years, we've been providing incredible products made right here in the United States to countries all over the world. And when my great-grandfather started the company, he did it with the intention of using the best equipment, the best materials, and the best people to make the best products. And from humble beginnings to now having over 500 distributors in 60 countries all over the world, I think his dream and his vision is coming to life. We're growing bigger, better, stronger than we've ever been. And that's a tribute to the foundation that we have to build and grow off of, but more importantly, the people that make up this organization.
I've worked for Regalware for just shy of 4 decades, and I've had the opportunity to really help ensure that everything we do here is for a purpose and for a reason. We've had multi-generations, and still do today, working in various parts of our organization. It's been a very good way for us to maintain employment and to grow that employment over the years.
Today we employ hundreds of people producing hundreds of thousands of high-quality Saladmaster products every year. And team members are our greatest asset, and I'm just proud to be a member of it.
Our people just share this passion for the craftsmanship that goes into the product. They're just not making a piece of cookware. They're changing a life.
Our headquarters in Wisconsin has seen investments over the past 10 years of multi-millions of dollars in technology, equipment, and people to help meet those rigorous quality standards of Saladmaster.
Our processes, from a quality standpoint, are set up so that there are a number of very key elements to assuring that end result is that consistent quality product that consumer expects. For Saladmaster, what we do is really around 3 different things. First piece, inspection before production begins. Second, it's all employees and their role in visually checking the product throughout the process. And 3, it's our trained quality technicians who audit both the process and the product throughout the shift. We assure that all those processes are controlled.
Saladmaster was the first company to ever introduce 316 Ti cookware. It's because it ultimately made the product better for the customer. Better nutrition performance, better cooking performance, better longevity. And innovation is the key to our success.
There's some features and benefits that make Saladmaster's product, I believe, extremely unique. From the shape of the vessels, to the removable handles, to the VapoValve technology. Our passion is around that craftsmanship. It's the combination of the human element along with the technology we have available. There's a tremendous amount of engineering. There's a tremendous amount of technical that goes into building that product to get the outcome that we want. Robotic or automated systems has been just another great step forward for us. Some of the capabilities around 3D renderings, those allow us to do things quicker and more consistently than we have in the past. So 3D models can get created today and into a sample without having to do it in the old school methods. Complementing the human element in visually checking along with these systems is to provide us consistent quality outcomes day in, day out. Those things all contribute to the end result, which is that healthy and nutritious meal. We are an international company. We ship to warehouses around the world that then supply to dealers around the world. We definitely want to make sure that our logistics system is set up to support delivering to that consumer as quickly as we possibly can.
What we've built to this point is nothing to what we will be going forward. And I'm excited that I get to get out of bed every day and come to work to help make this opportunity something even better than it's been.